Are you trying to decide between Microsoft Loop and Notion? You are not alone. Both tools are popular for organizing tasks and projects, but they have some key differences. Let's take a quick look at what these tools do. Microsoft Loop and Notion help you collaborate, share ideas, and manage workflows. They both aim to make teamwork easier and more efficient. First, let's talk about Microsoft Loop. This tool focuses on real time collaboration. It allows teams to create flexible workspaces. You can add different types of content like text, images, and tables. Loop is designed to keep everything in sync so everyone stays updated. Now, let's move on to Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that combines notes, tasks, and databases. It offers a wide range of templates to help you get started. You can customize your workspace to fit your needs. Notion is great for both personal use and team projects. Now, what are the main differences? Microsoft Loop is all about collaboration in real time, while Notion offers more customization options. Loop is simpler to use for quick teamwork, and Notion provides deeper functionality for project management. When it comes to features, Loop excels in live updates and integration with Microsoft apps. Notion shines with its templates and database capabilities. If you're looking for easy collaboration, Loop might be the way to go. If you need a flexible workspace, Notion could be your best choice. Pricing is another factor. Microsoft Loop is often included in Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Notion has a free version with paid plans for more advanced features. In the end, if you want seamless collaboration, choose Microsoft Loop. If you need a customizable workspace, go for Notion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.